Do you stop here? My treat. Hello?
Hello? Oh, pull up to the next window.
Why do you sound like a woman?
Can I help you?
You want anything? Do you have a mint hot chocolate?
Yes, I do.
Can I have a small?
Anything else?
No.
Thank you.
I bought mint hot chocolate. I'm paying for it. What do you think? I actually want one.
Come here,
I mean, I hope she doesn't see us.
Brendan, you gotta take it from her.
You gotta take it. Alright. Hold me up closer. I'm too tired. Oh, there's a bug.
I think you just see my legs or something.
No.
That's about it.
How are you holding?
Oh,
What?
no, we bought it.
I'm just like really tired.
No, we actually found it behind this Dunkin' Donuts, and we're basically putting it back right now. We just wanted to see if this was like actually.
This is a Walmart one, bud. A Walmart right there. Thank you. Wait, don't drink that. It's mine.
I didn't
No.
Yeah. When we reminisce, when we reminisce, when we reminisce. Let the smoke signal guide you back home like Indians, and then the spliff and bullshit with my kinsmen. The yin ring cooling me down from the heat on the streets. Take me back to those times of peace. Let me see those leaves turn to fruit and kick flows of sick. And think back to chicks who love my magic stick. When you look back, Malcolm, never forget. Never regret the outcome. Never tear or spend a year asking how come. Looking for love, cause you found some. Never let a dime infiltrate your mind. She has no right questioning McCormick design. Never quest with beef, always be cordial in rhymes. Never bored with your time on this planet Earth. Take a nap, take a snap, but when you take it for granted it hurts. Try to be thrifty so you manage your worth. Expect the best but plan for the worst. Never take advice from those who never question themselves. But your mental health should never be menaced by doubt. I'm your MC mentor, there for sure when things go south. I'm out en route to beat back the nookie. She says she loves me, what she want, half a cookie. Never contemplate life any higher than giraffe pussy.
Matt wreck, the rest is history.
Yeah.
Cause him and me, well, we hit the weed in between the misery. We spit for free, we had dreams of getting cream. But things don't always fall exactly how they seem. The big kids, they talking about they big guns, but I just chill, lay back here to kick drum. Boom cat, boom 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 cat. Around and back, now I'm getting off track. And I saw rap as a way to get away from everybody telling me today is not my day. My day, my week, my month, my year, my tears held back, confronted by my fears. This endless intelligence, my mind can expand. As high as I am, chill, I'll be fine with a gram. Cause I'll be bumping through the speaker box, trying to bust the flow. At first an outcast, looking for the love of love. Don't mistake my terminology for philosophy. Screaming till I get what I want, like a toddler bee. Urban mythology, the words of the prophecy, the prodigy. See deep inside your mind like psychology. Taught to be verbal, passing purple in a circle like we pass the word. Slave of the mind, but you asked to serve. Attack the words, rap happens fast in your ass, so swerve. Got a question, ask it first. Pass the curse with Masterverse. Yeah, Easy Mac Jones record.
Let the smoke signal guide you back home like Indians, and then the spliff and bullshit with my kinsmen. The yin ring cooling me down from the heat on the streets. Take me back to those times of peace. Let me see those leaves turn to fruit and kick flows of sick. And think back to chicks who love my magic stick. Let the smoke signal guide you back home like Indians, and then the spliff and bullshit with my kinsmen. The yin ring cooling me down from the heat on the streets. Take me back to those times of peace. Let me see those leaves turn to fruit and kick flows of sick. And think back to chicks who love my magic stick.
Yeah. Pittsburgh. I like that.